Hi guys, so today I'm here and you read the title right. A dog died in my family. It was 2 days ago. My brother was crying yesterday. I wasn't because I was really sad. Um, that doesn't make sense, but I just wanted to hold in my cry. I've never felt the feeling of someone dying in my family, even a pet. So tell me in the comments down below if you have a video on your YouTube channel or just a video on another YouTube channel that I can go check out of a dog, of a person, of a cat, whatever. You know what I mean, pet or person that died. Um, and you expressing your feelings. So I'll check that out. So what happened was, it was 2 days ago. That dog was named Airy. It wasn't a dog named Rocky because he's 14. This dog was 17. His paws were hurting a lot, and I mean the four of them. And my yaya took him to the vet, or it was my Theo. I don't know. Someone took him to the vet, um, and he died there. This is a really short video. Heads up, tomorrow I'm making a Hatchimal video, because I have 3 Hatchimals. So yeah, but I'm sad, my brother's sad, and sorry I didn't make a video on the other one, because first of all, my phone's not working, and second of all, my phone is dead. So, this is not the last video, because I might be making videos until my phone works. So, yeah, hope you love me, and I love you back. If you hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and like all my videos, you will be awesome. And thanks for the 11 subscribers. It means a lot to me. And I've never, ever had the feeling of having subscribers. So thanks and yeah, bye.